In this session, we will see the tools available in Fund. Okay, and this session is divided into two parts. This is the first part. In first part, we will see half of the tools, and in second part, we will see remaining half of the tools. Okay, so let us start. First, I will select the paragraph. Okay, now you can see the font. The default font is Calibri body. I want to change it. Okay, so whichever font I want to select, it will show a preview. I have selected Mangal, it is showing a preview. I have selected Arial, it is showing the preview. Now I want to convert it into Mangal. Okay, so I'm clicking here. Now size, I can change the size. This is the default size. I can change it to 10. I can change it to 12. Okay, I'm making it 10. I can change the size using these two buttons as well. I can increase size or I can decrease size. Okay, using bold, I can make the entire paragraph bold. Enter paragraph or certain selected words. Okay, now let us apply this for selected words only. For example, now these are the starting word of the paragraph and I want to make it bold. Okay, next is italic. Okay, now you can see this is the reference. Okay, and bracket, and this is already in italic. Now I want to um, keep other references also in italic only. So I'm selected this one reference and I'm converting it to italic. Okay. Now underline. So I want to underline some data points like this 80%. I want to underline it. Okay. Two key steps. Okay. I want to underline this. Right. Now I just want to strike through some line that just to show that okay, I don't want this line is not relevant, or this sentence is not relevant. Okay, I'm just taking a random sentence, this one. Okay, and I'm just showing it as I'm just clicking on strike through, and what will happen? This will be shown as a strike through. Okay, now next is subscript and superscript. Okay, so let's see how it works. Now this is a reference. Okay, what I want to do, I want to um, remove this reference from here, and I want to put a symbolic number. Okay, not just this one. Let's say about, let us remove the other reference as well. Okay, so first remove this one. Okay, Control X, and I am putting at the bottom of page. Okay, okay, I think I missed from where I removed this. Let us control Z. Okay, the undo button. Let us click on undo, and we can see okay, it was removed from the organization. So I am just highlighting this organization. I'm clicking on highlight. Okay, text highlighter. I'm clicking here. Now I can highlight it. Now what I'm doing, I'm removing this. Okay, I'm putting at bottom. Okay, I'm giving this as number 1. Okay, now I am removing this reference, and I'm putting this as reference 2. Okay. Now I have removed reference from here and added in at the bottom of the page and given as a reference to. So I will write a reference to here. Okay. And what I will do, I will just to show that this is a reference, I will just subscript it. Okay. Now I have subscripted it. Okay. If I want to highlight, I can just click on a highlighter. Okay. So just to show that it is being it is a reference and subscripted. Okay. Now second, we had removed a reference from here, so and we put it as the first reference. So I will write one here, I will select it and I will subscript it, and again I will change the color to the font color. Okay. And to give more emphasis, what we can do, we can either make it italic or we can underline it. It's up to us. I'm making it italic. Okay. Now this highlight was just for me to remember that from where I have removed the reference. So I'm removing the highlight now. Simply no color. Okay. Okay. Just for documentation purpose, and removing the small dot and keeping the big full stop. From here also, I'm removing the small dot. Okay, and keeping a big full stop. Now it's fine. Okay, so in this way, we can show that a reference is added to support these statements. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, now the superscript. Now superscript, let's say we have a equation square plus y square equals to 0. Now this I want to put in square, so I will select this and go to superscript. I will select this too and will go to superscript. Now this is exactly showing as x square plus y square. Okay, so that's it in this video. That's it. Okay, the other features we will see in part 2.